the little tails wagging. Look at all these little feet. Look at those little feet. I don't even know how they're all piled in there, but they're in there. And then we got some sleepers over here. They're just everywhere. You got puppy hiccups.